Hello everyone and welcome back. This is Tatjana from Garnet Beauty and Art, and in today's video I've got my beautiful new mold which we are going to use today, and I would like to try different techniques which is duet inspired by Kepler art. So I have premixed already my resin, which is 1:1 ratio, and we are going to use 4 different colors. The main color for the color will be a purple. Then we're going to use a black, white and mica powder as well. So I'm just going to split my resin to 4 cups while I'm going to mix our color, and then the rest of the resin will be left in my big cup for the final design. And we are going to start with a purple color first, and this is a pigment ink. It's not alcohol, but it's not really like a paste, so it's not really overall pigment, it's a see-through color. So, and I'm going to add just like a 3-4 drops of the color, just a 3 drops, and it's really nice and intense, but same times it's a see-through color. Make sure you're mixing your colors really well, and you can see it's a beautiful deep purple color, same time it's still see-through. And for the second color we are going to use our black. As you can see, yeah, it's really nice deep color, but it's still see-through color, so it's not like a really solid color. And for the second one we are going to use a black color. Again, it's a see-through color and it's really light pigment, so it's not a deep color, and we are going to add 3 drops of the black. Make sure you're mixing your colors really good before, so otherwise they soften, they just separate, and you need to really good shake before you adding any colors, alcohol ink as well especially. So again, just mixing the color. You can see it's good black color, but it's still see-through. And for the next one we are going to use white color, and for the white I'm going to use today ocean white, and just adding some in there. And again, make sure you mix it really well. Ocean white is really solid opaque color, so you don't need much of it, and as you can see it's really like a gooey consistency, and it sinks straight away as it's quite heavy as well. So make sure it's really well mixed. And for the last one I'm going to add in my small plastic cup mica powder, and my color is silvery white, so it's white but with a bit of like silver shimmer as well. With the mica powder, make sure you mix it really well, and on the side of your plastic glass or silicone glass, whatever you're using, so make sure it's really nicely mixed together. And then I've got 2 small bags on a side which I'm going to use in the middle of our coaster, and it's crushed glass. I decided to use some purple color and black, so it's I do like this combination and I think it's really nice. So make sure just mixing mica powder and it's all ready to go. I will not gonna use for this design heat gun. I will just using my torch today. Again, with a torch we are going to use it quite often. Each layer I'm going to pour, I will try to use a torch to help with the bubbles and make sure it looks good. And our mica powder all mixed now. I'm just mixing again over all colors, and then we will be ready to go. So just make sure I'm all happy with the colors. They all look as it should be. White is nice and solid. And then we're all ready to go. And we're going to start with a purple color. And we are going to pour it just on the side around the coaster. And then we're going to start working with all other colors after this. Just putting my wooden stick on the side as I really don't need it for now. And just do it nice and slowly, and try to do it nice and even line as well. You can go over and over and just make it nice line until all your resin is gone. And it's looking, the color is really beautiful and dark. I really like this purple color. Just going to use my wooden stick just to remove all resin so we don't have any waste. When you're doing this, just be careful not to dribble like I just done. So yeah, just clean it quickly straight after. And then we're going to use our black color. You will laugh on this video because as soon as I will put next color, my resin will be like a mirror and you could see all my face with a mask and goggles. But again, it's our safety, and I always using protective gloves and goggles and mask. So this is our black color. Just go around the mold again, just on the side. I normally go just in the same place. And when we will finish with this one, we will continue to do with the mica powder white. You can see how black color is pushing purple and middle is nearly like closing down, so it will move completely and it will be closed down. And just going over with a torch. With a torch, when you use a torch, make sure you go nice and quick so you're not gonna damage your mold. And this is our mica powder, and we are going to use same place where we put our black, and you can see all my face now as in the mirror. So in the next video I will try to move the camera on a side. So just adding a mica powder, and I just go over again until the color all gone. And then we're going to add our solid white color. And with this one again, just going on top of the other white, same way as we've done with all our other colors. And I will go a couple of times again over until all resin is gone. And again, make sure you go over with a torch to remove any bubbles. And then we are going to use our clear resin just to pour it in the middle of the coaster to help the colors spread and finish our design. And I'm doing it nice and slow because it's the first time I'm using this mold, and I don't want to overfill it, as sometimes when resin's so shiny you can't really see if it's already filled to the top or not. So now it looks nice and beautiful. So after this, when I poured our clear resin, I went over again with a heat gun and left our coaster for 10 minutes to colors start moving to the middle, and only after this I added some crushed glass. And when I've been adding a crushed glass in the middle, I just used my wooden stick and help the color to move a little bit closer to the middle, and then it will be all done. And I will just put some music and enjoy watching, and see you later for demolding. and welcome back, and it's time to demold our beautiful coaster we done yesterday, and it's a really nice purpley color, and I just can't wait to see what we've got on another side. And as you see in my video, it's just inspiration by Duet by Coupler Art, and it's really beautiful colors. And let's have a look what we've got on another side. Are you ready? Let's have a look. Oh, that's a really beautiful. Wow, I really like it. It's really different. It's really beautiful and really nice effect in this my new crystal mold. The middle still see-through, but I think it's still quite unique, really beautiful, and it looks really nice, especially for first time using this technique. I think the result is good enough, and I do love these colors. I love it. I'm pleased with this one, and thank you very much for watching, and I hope you liked it as well. Please like, subscribe, leave me some comment what you think about this. And yes, I think it's quite cool. It's really interesting, so we'll try different colors and see what I can make. Again, thank you very much, and see you soon.